Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bree. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Doordash. So if you guys are curious, keep on watching. So, what is Doordash? Doordash is a third-party food delivery system that you as a driver, the dasher, they call you as a dasher, get to go to different food locations, restaurants, pick up food for a customer and deliver it to the customer, and that is it. And so how does it work? So you will, once you sign up for Doordash, by the way, when you do sign up, you do get a sign-on bonus as long as you have a referral link. When I signed up, I did not do this. I just did it because I needed the income. But if you guys use my sign up referral, you guys will get, depends on every location, but for my location, the Chicago area, you get $1,000 after completing 200 orders within 60 days. So you guys get $1,000 for signing up and doing all of that, and then I as a referee get $100. So use my link. It's only a benefit. So, and again, every location is different. So, and I'll show you guys how the app looks like and everything later on. But so what it is that you need to Doordash, once you sign up and everything, you'll get your equipment, which is your red bag. This is the red bag. It's insulated, and you also get a card, a debit card. I won't show you guys the numbers and everything, but it looks like this, and I'll say debit card. It will not have your name on it or anything like that because it is not addressed to you. It is simply Doordash. It's coming out of Doordash's I guess account. It's not being deducted out of your account whatsoever, so don't worry when you're swiping it, because initially when I used it, I was like, oh crap, is this being deducted out? But it's not. It just means that the customer hasn't paid for their item just yet, and Doordash picks it up and then later they pay for it. So that's how that works. So always make sure that you bring your bread bag and your card with you at every restaurant that you go to. Some places will not let you pick up the food without your red bag, one of which being Portillo's. Portillo's is pretty strict about that, so just be aware. And how exactly does this work? So like I said, you go to these restaurants. Before you do, there's hotspots on the app that you find. Hotspots are just obviously places that you're more likely to get an order. So for me, it is Portillo's. I always see a line of cars just waiting to pick up their order or to make an order. I'm just what the heck? I can't have Portillo's because I have celiac disease, so I can't have gluten, so I have to be very careful about places I go to eat. But literally every time, even before I did Doordash, it's just lines and lines and lines on cars. I'm just oh my god, what did they sprinkle in their food? People are just so addicted. If anyone's that addicted to Portillo's or just loves Portillo's, let me know down below, because I'm curious as to why. What's the hype? Anyway, it's off topic. So when you get to the restaurant with your red bag and your red debit card, you want to just say, hi, I have a Doordash order for customer's name, and as appears on the app, sometimes they'll ask you for what your name is as it appears on the app. So mine is just Bree with the initial L. I don't have my last name on there at all, just for privacy reasons. Sometimes it doesn't really matter. But and then the best times that you want to go is lunch and dinner. Obviously breakfast, just it's a waste of time and gas, especially gas. And what you want to do is just be very familiar with your areas, busy restaurants or busy area. You don't want to just be driving around wasting time. And towns that are highlighted in red obviously indicate that they're busy, and also you'll get bonuses for certain peak hours. So it'll be highlighted in red, and then it'll also have a bonus, say $2, $4, some spots I've seen are $5. Just means that on top of what you are already being paid to deliver the food, Doordash pays you that bonus. So say your order total was $10 and your bonus was $4, you get $14, right? So it's pretty nice, but I would not say go chase after these bonuses. So if your town does not have that and town over or 2 towns over has that, do not go for it, because that bonus could disappear by the time you get there. So don't do it. And then rating. Rating really matters, because if your rating goes down, if your customer rating goes down, I think you have the risk of like being deactivated. So customer rating is huge. You want to, the number one thing for me, I found out personally, is that you want to always make sure that everything is in the bag. I made the mistake of always trusting restaurants to have everything in the bag, so I would just like dash off and give it to the customer, and the customer would like later text me or say, hey, what happened to this shake, or hey, what happened to this cookie that I had ordered? And I'd be like, what? You ordered that? And lo and behold, they did, and I just like forgot to pick it up at the restaurant, or the restaurant hadn't made it yet. So be careful about that. And how are the restaurants? Sometimes, I mean, in terms of like friendliness, I've never come across any restaurant that wasn't very friendly. They've all been nice to me. However, it takes a long time. Some places take forever. Like the longest I think I waited was like 30 minutes, and they hadn't like at all made the order, so they were just like scrambling as soon as I told them that I had an order to pick up. So that's a hassle. But what I found out is that say like you're a mile or 2 away, just say that you're there on the app, so that the restaurant gets a heads up that like, okay, you're like there, and that so that they kind of like speed up the process. Because once you hit there at the restaurant, like you're there at the restaurant, some places might just start making the order, and this order could be like a huge order. So that's a tip. And then what else? Another thing, again, with rating is customers are very friendly, they're very kind, and what you also want to do in order to get good ratings is read their comments. Some comments will say do not ring the doorbell, or leave the food at the door, which is a little odd, but like some will request that, and request that you pick up, say like napkins, condiments, etc. So always read their comments, because if you don't pick up what they asked for, or if you don't read what they requested, they're gonna rate you poorly. And again, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but customers have access to where you are, meaning they can track you, real-time tracking. So like make sure that like you go to the restaurant and you go to the customer directly. Like don't like go anywhere else. Like so that you like do what you're supposed to, basically, right? And driver relations with Doordash, meaning how is Doordash to the driver? Again, they're very helpful and very kind, very helpful, right? But for me, in terms of reaching someone, it has been a little difficult. It just kind of takes forever. Like if I had an issue with an order, no order has been, I've never had an order that was canceled. A customer never canceled an order for me, but I've witnessed somebody, that like a driver like that happening to, but I've never experienced it. So any type of issue that you come across, it takes forever to get a hold of somebody, either through the app, like in the texting system, or getting a call from them. It takes a while. I think one time I had to pull over and wait for someone about 15 to 20 minutes, waste of time. So I just lost interest, and I just like went home basically. So yeah, I hope that Doordash improves on that, hopefully. Another thing is, what you guys are really interested about, I mean, that is why I did Doordash, is the money. How much have I made? So here I'll go on the app itself, and I will show you exactly exactly what I made. So we'll go to earnings. So at the bottom of the app, so when you open up the app, it'll show you at the bottom like all the tabs: dash, schedule, account, ratings, and earnings. The dash will show you, see at the top it says earn $1,000. It says $1,000 to every friend in your area who signs up and completes 200 deliveries within 60 days. The bonus amount may be different in other areas. What I said to you guys earlier, right? So dash, it'll just show you the map of all the highlighted busy areas, and it'll also show you the bonuses. And then when you schedule, it'll say available, what's available and what's scheduled. That usually, available and scheduled usually is for when it's not busy and when things are not highlighted in red. So keep that in mind. And then your account, it'll just, obviously your account just shows. So, and then the ratings, I have a 4.57 because, like I said earlier, I had forgotten items at the restaurant, and that is why my rating is not a 5. And then acceptance rating, completion rate, on time or early, and then lifetime deliveries. I've completed 127 deliveries. And then earnings, here we are. So the most I've earned was $347.81 for a week, which is not bad because I wasn't doing it as like, I was doing other things. So this is like a side income. So that's how much I made in 25 hours and 53 minutes. So not bad. So for example, on a Sunday, I earned $86.43 doing, let me see, doing 9 deliveries. And that day, the biggest earning was Red Lobster. I made $11.94, which is not bad. And then see the bonus I had that day, it says extra delivery pay, $6. That was the bonus, because yeah, that was a great thing. And then the least I made is $37.18. It's just one delivery. Oh, it says 3 dashes. Okay, I guess, yeah, which is not bad, I guess. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I think you should do it. I do recommend doing Doordash for either side income or for full-time income. I think it's a great way to just make money. So give it a whirl, and again, use my referral link down below in order for you guys to get the referral amount. And yeah, right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.